Let's take a look at this example. Again, we have quadratic equation. We're supposed to solve this quadratic equation by the method of factoring. Again, we're supposed to write the parentheses, and we have x. Now, these two numbers, which I'm going to write over here, multiply by each other, supposed to give me negative 20, and add to each other, they're going to give me negative 1. So they are negative 5 plus 4. Negative 5 times 4 gives me negative 20. Negative 5 plus 4 gives me negative 1. And this is equal 0. Okay, so what we're supposed to do next, we're supposed to take the first factor and make it equal 0. And also supposed to take the second factor, x plus 4 equal 0. In order to find value of x, I have to move negative 5 to the right side, and I have x equals 5. And over here, in order to find value of x, I have to move 4 to the right side. So I have x is equal negative 4. These are the values of x. In order to verify if these answers are correct, you're supposed to substitute the x's in the original equation by 5 and later on by negative 4. So let's verify these two answers. We have original equation x squared minus x minus 20 is equal 0. X is equal 5. So I have 5 to the second power minus 5 minus 20 is equal 0. So I have 25 minus 5 minus 20 is equal 0. 25 minus 5 is 20. 20 minus 20 is equal 0. 0 is equal 0. So this is correct answer. Let's check the other one. We have again original equation x squared minus x minus 20 is equal 0. Negative 4 to the second power minus negative 4 minus 20 is equal 0. Negative 4 to the second power is equal 16. Negative times negative is positive, so I have plus 4 minus 20 is equal 0. 16 plus 4 is equal 20. 20 minus 20 is equal 0. 0 is equal 0. The left side of my equation is equal to the right side. That's why these two answers are solutions to my problem.